Sir, I joined one class before.
Good afternoon, everyone. Many of us have left the class. Why? Okay. Now, this is the time to recap whatever we have learned last time. Okay, in the last session. In the last session, we had been seeing about the models, isn't it? Let me share with you the screen. You will come to know what you have learned. Are you able to see the screen?
Sir, but only 4 members joined, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, till now only 4 members joined, sir.
Actually, huh? Only 4 students have joined the class.
Yes, sir. I also joined, sir, but I had some internet connection, sir.
1 second. Hmm? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So, beta, these much things we had learned. What are the models? After that, the uses of models. Are you able to see the screen there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can see this.
Okay. Is it clear to you all?
Yes, sir, but little bit less.
Yes, sir.
It may be
Now
it can be the issue of network there. Okay. Now see this one. Okay. Here we have seen the models and their concepts and their examples. Okay, those things we have learned.
Sir, I have a
Also,
doubt in this one, sir. The
which one?
models and they have two types of meanings, right, sir? I didn't get that, sir. Can you explain to me? Again?
Yes. What do you have doubt there?
Yes, sir. In all, sir, I couldn't understand it, sir.
With these one, no? May 1, May 2, like, okay?
Yes, sir.
Their
Only
use
that
is
one.
okay. I'll be explaining it. Okay.
Thanks, sir.
Now, let us see. What is given here? Double concept models are given. Means sometimes their concepts are changed. They are not spoken or just written there in one particular way. It may be used in double meaning, like double meaning in the sense double concept will be used. Means this may one may can use for the taking or giving permission, and this may be used for the probability. Okay, for example, this may I use your bicycle. Okay, it is written there. Okay, like this. Got it? May I use your
Yes,
bicycle?
sir.
Now, this is all about the permission that you are seeking for. Okay, so this may is used in that way. Another may, it may tell you, or it is telling you the probability if something is going to happen or not. Understood? For example,
Excuse me, sir.
my
Excuse me, sir.
brother, one second, may be at home. This sentence is written like, my brother may be at home. This is the probability. This is the probability. If
Like a good prediction, sir.
Miss, it is a kind of prediction only. Okay, or it may be said that if you are not sure for something, so you may use this word or this model word. Did you get it? Yes, someone was asking
Yes,
me
sir.
something.
Yes, sir, I was asking, this class is not for 8th, right?
This one, no, this is not for 8th. This is for 6th and 7th. Aisha, have you joined here?
No, sir, I'm from 8th class. I just got confused and joined this
No,
batch.
actually what, yesterday I did not take their class, so I kept this class today. Your class is not there, Aisha. You may join in your
Yes,
particular
sir, I
class.
will.
Okay, and one more thing,
Yes, sir.
did you get all the recordings there? I put there. Okay.
Yes, sir, I got it, sir.
I
Thank
hope you are now going through with this through the videos and the whatever you were needed, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now second is must and must. Tanvi, please. Okay.
Sir,
Must, we are about to learn about must. Why is this used for two concepts? Okay, or the double concepts are used over there. Must is for responsibility. It is the obligation as well. It is called as obligation. Means you are obliged to do that. Understood? For example, you must clean your hands before eating. Understood? You must clean your hands before eating. So that is obligation and responsibility as well. Okay, understood? Another must is used for assumption. Means you just like prediction. Just like prediction. Did you get it?
yes, sir.
Did you get it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Examples, if we will see, everyone must pay taxes. This is responsibility, this is obligation, this is duty. Everyone's duty it is, right? And it is the must done thing. Okay, it should be done at the prior level, at the priority, you may say. Varshit, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And second must is used for assumption. Okay, suppose you are not predicting, but you are just making an assumption there. For example, if you are saying about your friend like Prapti must have missed her bus, school bus, so she did not come to school. Okay, this is your assumption. What is this? Your assumption. Are you getting better? This responsibility,
Yes, sir.
I told you, it is also called as obligation. It is called as duty as well. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope you have got the meanings of all. Now let us understand what was left over there. We had left there with this, the use of shall and will.
Sir, can I read?
Let me explain, Varshit. Okay, because we are lagging behind a lot. Okay, actually our syllabus is lacking there. Okay, it is lagging behind, so please, we will complete first and afterward I will give you the opportunity to read. Okay, shall is used with first person subject like I and we. These are these first person subjects, and these are also called, wherever there is the first person, it means that person is the speaker of the sentence. Speaker of the sentence. Always the speaker of the sentence is the first person. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Will is used with second and third person subjects like you, he, she, it, they. Whether it is singular or plural doesn't matter. Understood? It doesn't matter. but will is used. For example, they will miss the opportunity. They will miss the opportunity. Are you getting? Okay, they will
Okay.
is the plural subject, but if you want to use it with singular subject, so he will pay the school fees today. Today maybe there in the afternoon or after 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, whatever the time. Okay, you are speaking this thing in the morning, so you would predict there for the later time after 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, whatever. Okay, so first and for second and third person we use will, but to show the emphasis, it can be interchanged with each other. Emphasis in the sense, what if you want to pressurize something? Okay, understood. Will is used with first person subject like I and we, and shall is, see, this is the general use. What is this? The general use. But you want to emphasize something, so you have to interchange it. Means if I will use with I and we, so will be used. For example, I or we will make this possible. Now what is to be be made there possible, that is a different thing, but I have just written I or we will make this possible. Okay, this is emphasize that I am determining. Okay, I am determining that thing. I am about to be done that thing. Okay, at the prior level. That is why will can be used with I and we if you are emphasizing something. Shall is used with second and third person. Okay, you shall, he shall, it shall, she shall, they shall. Okay, examples are given here. Read it. I shall go means simple future. I will go. This is determination. I shall go, that is a plan. But I will go, that is a determination. She will win. Simple future. Okay, she shall win. Emphasized act. Here the act of winning is emphasized. Okay, what happened, Worship, to your teeth?
What, sir?
Is there something you are showing us teeth?
No, sir.
Okay, Worship. Okay, now let us see their usage. Offer, if you want to offer something, so shall I help you with your luggage? This is an offer where one person is asking to another. Suggestion, shall we say 2:30 then, in the sense if suppose any meeting is to be taken over there or is to be conducted over there, so shall we say it at 12:30 p.m. Okay, like that. Permission, shall I do that or will you do? Shall I do that or you will, or will you? Sorry. Decision, I can't see any taxis, so I'll walk. This is decision. Offer again, I will do that for you if you like. Promise, I'll come back on Monday. I will come back on Monday. This is my promise there. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so see, many of the things are there where we may use such kind of models. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
These models can be used over there. Got it? Okay. Now listen.
Sir, your voice is a little bit breaking.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Now is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Now it's
Another model verb is used to. See, this is always used to tell you about the past habit. About the past habit. Listen. She used to go to perform in movies or dramas. Or dramas. Did you get it? Used to in the sense what? For example, suppose you were whenever you were means younger than now. Okay, whatever your age is now, you were younger than that of, right? Isn't it? You be there at first year, second year, third year, then after you are running this year of ages, right? So some habit you might have been there in the past whenever you were a kid, small kid. Okay, for example, uh, you had a habit to go out of the gate. Okay, you had a habit to ride the bicycle. Okay, lots of things might be there. Okay, so suppose your mom or dad or someone is telling you about your past or about your activities in the childhood whenever you were kid. Okay, so that person will use used to, means किया करते थे. Are you getting? किया करते थे. Rishita, are you getting my means words? Hindi words?
Sir, I don't know Hindi, sir.
No, you
Sir,
don't know.
I
No,
know
sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah, no issue, no issue. I'll be telling you in English only. So, miss, you were about to do that thing in the past. For example, he used to lift a 100 kg box when he was a wrestler. Okay, wrestler, do you know? The person
Yes.
who
Yes,
fights.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That person means when he was a wrestler, that time means in the past. Now he is not able to lift 100 kg box right now, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, this is something, means something had happened in the past and that habit is now being told. Okay. Yes, Karthik.
Yes.
No, sir. It was a mistake. I was gonna like do the thumbs up
Okay.
thing.
Second example is I used to play cricket in 2005. So when the action was taking place there, in the year of 2005.
2005.
Okay, 2005. So he used to khela karta tha. He used to play. Understood? Now he is not. Now to express a habit of present that has its roots in the past. For example, my grandfather is not used to sweets. Means
Means
neither
the
he,
grandfather doesn't like sweets.
in the sense neither in his young days and now also. Understood? He doesn't like sweets. I am used to a life full of struggle. Used to a life in the sense the life was very difficult for me to be survived. Are you getting? The life was not that much easy to live or
Yes.
easy to survive. Now it is somewhat at the rail. Okay, understood? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
At the rail
Yes, sir.
or on the rail, you may say. What is rail? Rail means that track. Okay, now it is on track. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, now let us go to another one. That is NEET. Now it is also used as, means sometimes it is used as helping verb and sometimes it is used as main verb also. Did you get it? Now how is it working there?
Sir, it is an auxiliary also, right?
Ah, 1 second. 1 second. Huh. Now need is used to express prohibition. Prohibition means what? Prohibition means restrictions. Okay. Prohibition means
Restriction.
restrictions. So she need not use that computer in the sense, see, need is used single, but if suppose you are putting not after that, so it will become negative. It will become negative. Are you getting? So
Yes, sir.
suppose something you have to restrict. So after need, you must use not. They need not manipulate the files. To express doubt, need I go there? Miss, suppose you are in a dilemma and you want to express your doubt or that, so you may use need. Okay, like need I go there? Need we plan in advance? Need I means excuse her or need I excuse him? Okay, such kind of things you may ask. Need I really go to the school? Means you have a doubt and you are asking that. Okay, so need can be used in that sense. Third thing is to express necessity or requirement. I need to drop by this room to pick up a book. I need to drop by his room to pick up a book. It is present. Now, if suppose you want to use it in past, so you have to just add ed. Like I needed to drink a few cups of coffee in order to stay awake. In the sense, suppose you want to awake in the night, so every now and then you were about to take coffee or you are about to drink coffee. Understood? Have you got it? So in this
Yes,
sense,
sir.
this may be used over there in the present and as well as past. Modal verbs and tenses like simple work, simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Like I could work, I could be working. Suppose you want to make it continuous in the past. So after could, you'll have to use be, and after that ing form. He could work, he could be working. It could work, it could be working, they could work, they could be working. I could have worked, I could have been working. Such things you may use with models, or such sentences you may create, or you may write over there. I would like you all to observe this one. This what is this? This is a chart where you have to observe it. Is it visible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
So please observe it. What is given there? Models in the present, models in the past. Please observe. काकू का है क्या? Did you observe it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What is
sir.
given there? Can you explain, please, Tanvi?
Yes, sir. Like there are some models in the past and present, sir. So obligations, sir. In that there's a sentence, sir, in the present, and they converted into the past tense, sir.
Like example?
Sir, we can take an example from this chart only. Sir.
This chart only.
Yes, sir.
Or you may tell your own example as well if you want to make.
No, sir.
Yeah, it is very simple. Come on, Tanvi, you may do that.
You should have had the old lady, sir.
Mhm.
You should have had the old lady.
Rishita,
Yes, sir.
can you read it?
The first one, sir. Our
Second one.
Okay, sir. Advice. Shall I read that, sir?
Oh, yes, you have to read the examples as well.
Okay.
The
Models
present.
in the present, they
Uh-huh.
converted it into models in the past. So they're
Okay.
gonna say about advice.
Mhm.
So models in the present of advice is you should see a doctor, and models in the past is you should have seen a doctor, sir.
Very good. You should have seen a
Seen a
doctor.
doctor.
Okay. Means this is an advice where it may be given there in the past. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, Varshit.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Sir, ability. Sir, it's present tense of the models. I can run faster, but in the past is I could run faster. Now I am old.
Means
Sir, he should read prohibition.
prohibition was there above. But Rishikesh will complete that. Rishikesh, please read prohibition. Which model is used there?
Yes, sir. Sir, their prohibition for prohibition they are using. Sir, it's
In the present, it is used as must. It is actually must not.
Mustn't. Must not.
But its abbreviation is mustn't.
Must not.
Mustn't. Yeah.
And yes, sir. And in the past also they have used mustn't, must not, but sir, the difference is in the present tense they have used smoke, and in the past tense they have used smoked, sir.
Smoked. So because it is become past.
Yes, sir.
The activity was in.
Yes,
You
sir.
mustn't have smoked there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Means the activity was done in the past. So you may use like this. Okay. Who is
Yes,
left
sir.
there?
Like prohibition means a restriction, so
Yes.
they are not allowing for smoking.
They are
Like
not.
that, the meaning would come.
They are not allowed to smoke over there. Okay. Or
So the meaning would
anybody.
come like they are not allowing for smoking in
Yes.
the present tense, and they.
Karthik, can you read? Next. Hariharan. Both are not available in the class. Hariharan and Karthik. Hariharan and Karthik both are not responding in the class. Who will then complete this chart? Tanvi, you start again. Certainty.
Yes, sir. Certainty. Models in the present. He has a Rolls Royce.
What is
He
Rolls
must be
Royce?
very rich.
What is
Sir,
Rolls
it's
Royce?
a expensive
It's
car.
a type of car,
Ah,
sir. It's a
it's not a
brand.
type of car,
It's a
it
car.
is the company. Okay, it is the
Yes, sir.
manufacturer
Sir,
company.
it's also very costly, sir.
Ah, it is very costly.
Yes, sir.
Only a good rich person can afford it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
He must be very rich.
Huh.
He can't be American. His English is terrible.
Yeah.
Models in the past. He must have been rich.
Now,
He had a
what
big
kind
house.
of difference are you observing there in both sentences in present and past?
Sir, in one sentence, they tell that he's rich, sir. And in the other, he's telling that he would have been rich, sir. Like in the past, sir, he was rich.
Okay. Next sentence. Who will read that?
Sir, can I?
Ah, yes.
Sir, can I?
Rishika, you may first, and after that, Rishikesh.
Okay, sir. Okay. Models in past and present of permission. In present, can I go out? In past, she could drive her father's car when she was only 15.
She could drive her father's car when she was only 15, but I think it is not like permission. Sentence is given wrong over there, I think.
Yeah.
But
Can I
it
go
is
out?
not actually given wrong. It is not translated this sentence into past, but this is the correct sentence over there. Why? Because the past tense of can is could.
Good.
So
Good, sir.
could may be used in the form of permission or in the form of like habit as well. Her father would have given her permission there. Okay.
Sir, could is past permission.
Yes.
May will be permission as present. May.
Yes, but if suppose you want to take or give permission, so suppose you have to take, so you should have to use that helping verb in front of the
Sir,
subject.
like in present tense, it becomes she can drive her father's car when she was 15 only.
Yes. In present tense it would be like, because we are using
Sir, in
present form.
present tense, it could be may, and in past, it could be like could.
Could
Because
have
it's
been then.
past
It could have.
permission, right?
It could have then.
Yeah, sir, that only.
Yes.
Could have.
Possibility, Rishikesh.
Yes, sir. Possibility. It may or can or could or might rain. It's cloudy.
Okay.
I guess it may or can or could or might have been Lackey on the phone.
Lassie on the phone.
Yes, sir. Lassie on the phone.
Okay. Varshit,
Yes, sir.
last one.
Okay, sir. Lack of necessity. You don't have to / need to buy any tomatoes. There are plenty in fridge.
Okay.
To / didn't need to buy tomatoes.
Okay. So what did you get from your lack of necessity?
Sir, means we don't need those things, sir.
Good. Yes, very nice. Now, again, the models in the past, these are summarized over there. Suppose one thing you have to keep in mind, better, whenever you think of the models in the past, so have is compulsory to come with them. Okay, it is very compulsory to come with them. Got it? These examples are given. You may take the screenshot of this. Otherwise, I will be posting these.
After this class, you will post it.
Yes, I will post in the Wise app. Okay, and even the recording of this class would be available.
Sir, material you'll post in WhatsApp or?
Huh?
Sir, you'll post material in the WhatsApp.
Yes, okay. I'll post there. Model summarized now. This is the summary.
Sir, one thing what you do this thing, sir, you post this material in WhatsApp also, sir, and while you are posting the recording in Google Classroom, attach this thing also, sir, in Google Classroom.
I would like to tell you one thing. Let's see why these things are not actually posted regularly on the WhatsApp, because we have only one class in a week, right? And it is not possible for us to
Not, sir,
complete.
not like that, sir.
No, I'm just telling you, but you just listen to me. I'm just telling you what is the problem over there. Okay. In the means only one class, it is not possible for me to complete the entire concept. Is it possible for any teacher? Like,
No, sir. Sir, that too 1 hour means it's not possible.
1 hour we are studying once in a week,
Our
and
school, if we take 8 hours also, sir, we could not complete even one lesson.
okay. So all these things will be posted in the WhatsApp. I think this concept is completed. We will meet in the next week now. Thank you so much for joining the class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I
Okay,
have a
sir.
doubt.
Yes, Rishita.
Sir, can you share the screen again so I can
Yeah, yes.
save?
You have a doubt. Okay.
So can you go a little bit up like we read right there? Yeah, sir, in possibility it said may, can, could and might, right?
Okay.
So in that possibility, may, can, could, might, right? Sir, may doesn't have that much possibility. Okay, sir.
That is a yes. Did you get it?
Sir, I thought
Actually, it is
probability,
possibility
sir.
or
Sir, I
probability.
thought probability. Because can has like probability of 100%.
Can also can have a possibility, could possibility, it may tell you possibility, might also can tell you possibility. Okay, understood? Yeah.
Yes, sir. I thought probability.
Okay.
Sir. Such, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you very much for joining the class. Have a nice time. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye, sir.